give this one a try. All right, gang, we're working on an alternating bass thing here with obladi, oblada, building on what we were talking about in the previous video. I've got an F here, and I'm basing this on a thumb catching the G string and flicking, okay? What this looks like is thumb on the G, thumb on the C, thumb on the G, thumb on the C. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. So the way to approach it, if you want to learn this, is to let's just isolate our thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, just to get comfortable hitting those. And I've got a low G. I hope you guys too, because we'll get more of that bass sound. 1, 2, 1, 2. The more you do it, the less you're going to have to watch yourself. And see if you can go a little faster. Desmond has a barrel in the marketplace. Molly is the singer in the band. So what did I add? I added a down up. 1, down up, 2, down up. So you can see options, and you choose if you want to explore that or not. See how the ukulele can keep you busy for the rest of your life?